Good morning from San Antonio. It is amazing to see people getting all their businesses ready. The tarmac is going down and I'm here with the boys from the tribe on the boat. The guys are going to get the boat cleaned before it goes into the water. One of the first and only companies that are actually doing boat charters in March and April. It's crazy. April. I've had a couple of bookings this week through you guys, so I appreciate it. If you are thinking of booking a boat this summer, do consider me. And look at this bad boy. Say hi. What a day. It is a beautiful day. So we're gonna have a little walk around San Antonio and just see what businesses are open already, because I know a lot of you are coming here in April and I can't for the life of me reply to all the messages. It's mental. I really appreciate the support. However, when you ask me what's opened, I don't know unless I actually go there and check out. The boat is going to be going over here. We're heading towards Es Paradis. So I'll be taken out of the water, give a bit of a clean underneath, and then it's all systems go for the summer. What a place. I'm here with Mark from the tribe. I don't really know what we're doing. What are we doing, Mark?
So, well, every year we need to get the boats ready, and now March, April, it's a good time to get them ready. We're taking the boat out of the water to clean the hull, repaint, and hopefully in 1 week more or less it's going again to the water and all ready for the season.
Yeah, it's an early start to the summer, right?
Yeah.
Have you had this many bookings for boats, or is it being...
People is starting now. I think while the sun comes, more and more bookings and people more excited to go out on a day.
Wicked. I'm going to be out in as many boats as I can this year to enjoy myself. We're going in here now. Say, if you ever want to have money, never own a boat, and this is why I don't own a boat. Not that I could afford to own a boat, but this is the boat. One of the fleet from the tribe. It's a really special boat. I've been out in this a few times over the last year. They've also got a new boat coming as well, which is mind-blowing. Hopefully I'll get to show you that in a couple of weeks. But just look at this. This could be you for a day. If you're interested, I've launched a boat competition every week as well with the raffles that I was doing. It's very cheap to enter. If you're watching this, click the link in this video, and that is only for 24 hours. So if you're watching this video after this video is posted, just check that link every week, because I'm going to do tons of different smaller competitions. The holidays went well, but it's a lot more work, and I think when you guys are coming over, you'd appreciate dinners, tables, boats for a minimum fee, which then supports me, and then I can make more videos. But for now, I'm gonna have to get back off the boat. But what a stunning day, by the way. Don't think they're gonna lift me up, so I better get out. Yeah, so we're gonna go and have a look around San Antonio. As I mentioned, everyone's doing all the businesses, all the little small things. It's all coming. It's quite a good, exciting thing. Now when you see the beach clubs and stuff opening. I don't have any sunscreen on. Whew. What are we on? 24th of March? Mad. So you can see it's all go. Whew. Really think I need to go and get some sunscreen, guys, because I didn't anticipate the weather, and I'm on steroids for my skin, so my skin's thinner. We went a little bit offset with this vlog. We were meant to be showing San Antonio, and then I got a phone call from this crazy Polish guy. What's happening? Calvin's here as well. Yeah, we're here at Calicomte. I'll just show you how, oh my days, how beautiful it is. So yeah, Lucas gave us a phone. I asked him to fix my car, and he's like, why don't we fly the drone around Privilege? We've just been to Privilege, and wow. Sorry, Universe. So I will show you that footage, but I'll leave that for the next vlog. So hit subscribe if you'd like to see that, and just look. Absolutely glorious. For those that don't know, Calaconta is located just outside San Antonio. One of the most popular beaches on the island. It's very rare to see it this quiet, but in a couple of weeks you will not be able to move. So do you see how hard it is to make videos here in Ibiza when you get a phone call? Me and Lucas and Calvin went to Privilege to have a sneak peek, so that's going to be in the next video. We're down here at the Sunset Strip because I wanted to mention the opening dates, and you can see there's going to be a bit of problem at the moment. The opening of Mint will be on the 4th. Mint Lounge, which is next door to Café Mambo, will be on the 4th of April. Café Mambo itself is opening on the 18th of April, and Café del Mar will be on the 17th of April. And I've spoke to each individual manager, owner, to get that verification. I think most of them have announced, so there you go. There's 3 openings, but as I mentioned, they've dug up all the roads all over town, and I just always wonder about the timing. You know, summer's just about to kick off, and so this is set to be a new promenade, apparently all the way into San Antonio. Whether or not it'll be this year, and we'll take a walk up here just behind Café del Mar. Yeah, you wouldn't think it was summer, man. 2 new hotels, or 1 hotel across the road from each other. Transformation of Ibiza keeps evolving. Builders everywhere. Mad. I didn't know it was as I did not know that it was this extent. Wow, this must have just happened over the last couple of days. So if you get reference to where we are, we're now like on the road to Savannah. We just walked from Café Mambo. Mental. But we'll see the Privilege video tomorrow, so if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. It's mind blowing. And this place opens in a couple of days. Ibiza Rocks Hotel will open on the 27th of March. The main hotel with the venue, with the events, won't be till the 30th of April. But again, what I'm trying to reference in, how mad is that? How just incredibly insane is that everything is starting to open in April. Back when it was only starting to open in May, it was mad enough. But now Ibiza Rocks, as well, you've got Pikes Hotel, which they're involved with, will open on the 11th of April. So, an interesting one. Brother, when are you opened? Wait. 27, the same day. This supermarket, this guy, top guy. See you later. Yeah, he's a really nice guy. His supermarket opens obviously the same day as the hotel. Where next? Yeah, it's been good to get back on YouTube. It's just hard. It's hard to mentally get the ideas, and because some people want to just see empty towns, walk around Escana and blah blah blah. But as a creator, you almost feel you know, it's just, I want to do more, but it's very difficult because I don't like doing videos with people in them. I like talking to people, but I don't like going out to make videos with people, because as much as I love the lads, we were out there for about 3 hours doing content, and of course we got some amazing shots, but it's difficult. One for the older generation who remembers the ship in San Antonio. This is opened now again, it's called the Championship. More or less the same crew, Sunday roasts. At the moment it's open 7 days a week, after 7 o'clock. I don't know when they'll start to open. Obviously when the summer starts they'll be open more or less every day. The guys in the ship, good friends, good pub to watch football in, and just generally get a beer and get a chat with people. You know, I'd say if you're coming on like a solo travel, I would say the ship's a perfect place to go to get to know people. It's an institute, it's been there for probably 30, 40, 50 years. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But yeah, it changed to a restaurant last year, and then they've changed it back to the ship. So there you go. I know people will like that. There's going to be some people that like that. We're just here by the West End now. I'm not sure what it looks like. Yeah, so they started to do the paint work here. Voila. Good Italian, by the way, as well, for really good pizza. John the Boozer's opened every weekend. Highlander Scottish Bar, that will be opening in the next couple of weeks. Shenanigans Irish Bar opened on St. Patrick's Day, and they will open next week for the weekends for start. But yeah, they started doing the painting here, and because we've had such bad weather, you can see it's still a work in progress. The weather has been awful. I mean, if we've had 6 good days in 30 days, I would be surprised. But that's good for the island, because obviously there was a massive drought. You know, you don't really think about it, like all the swimming pools, all the showers. Hello, how are you? Are you gonna say hello? Come here for food. These are lovely people. Are you open every day?
Yeah, we are open from 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Hello girls.
Days.
There you go. This should be a good video. I'll see you. I'll come back later. Love you. Bye bye. Yeah, this is what was Troppy. I know it's going to break a lot of hearts because it was the trans place for years, but a lovely Filipino people that have it now. I love them. I always pop in. I don't know what it is about the Filipino community, but they all watch YouTube, so everybody in the Filipino community in San Antonio, especially in Ibiza, they all know me. 06 West, this will be open when the clubs start to open. You can see the boys have just done a big refurb. Can you see in there? They knocked it down today. Didn't invite me though. So I'm going to wrap the vlog up now, and I'm going to leave you with Flaherty's Irish Bar. It opens on the 3rd of April at 6 p.m. That's a Thursday. You can see there's a lot of work getting done as well in the hotel above it. We're here beside the famous egg of San Antonio. Yeah, I basically had to text every owner of every business, and they've given me, I guess, the exclusive. I don't know if the places have promoted the fact that they're opening, but there you go. I know now the dates, and then maybe we'll do a vlog in a couple of days of what's actually open right now, but that'll come in another day. If you are new to the channel, do hit subscribe, and most importantly guys, if you have an Instagram account, help me get to 100,000 followers. Please give me a follow on Instagram. And again, tomorrow, if you're watching this today, you will see the privilege video. I might even post it tonight. Let's see. Oh, universe, sorry. I generally didn't even know I was stood there. Anyway, hit subscribe before I lose my mind.